Hello everyone! In this video, we will show you how to configure the location of your FSS projects. Before you begin, make sure File Storage Configuration is enabled via your admin panel. Once you click on the Financial Statement Suite icon on the DataSnipper ribbon, the Financial Statement Suite will open in a new window. Click on the Start a Tick and Tie Project button if you are starting a new tick and tie project. Click on the Open Project button if you want to work on an existing project. Select your documents and click on Set Project Location. Your File Explorer will pop up in a new window. You can choose the folder where you want to save your FSS project. Click Start Tick and Tie. You have successfully configured your FSS project location. Next time you work on the same project, you can simply click on Open Project and select it directly from the location where you have saved it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to watch our other videos to learn more. Happy snipping!